Hi, my name is Javier Martinez. I'm a prosthodontist. What got me into dentistry is basically the influence that my dad had in my life. My dad is a general dentist, and I remember going to places with him, and people would approach him with a big smile and satisfaction that my dad was their dentist. And that truly motivated me in going into the field of dentistry.
The best experience was just finally finding a prosthodontist that could correct all of the issues that I had previously when I'd visited another dentist.
Is professional yet friendly, courteous, understanding, willing to help you, willing to talk with you.
I never expected to have teeth like this in all my life. I don't need to worry about my teeth breaking off. I don't need to worry about fillings falling out. It's been a great experience for me.
It was wonderful to be able to look in a mirror and feel attractive and comfortable with myself.
We basically work with a team of talented dentists. Among general dentists and specialists, we try to work out a plan that best results to our patients.
The best part is the professionalism of the staff, the courteousness, the kindness. Everyone here is so friendly, and I just feel at home.
And if I have any questions, he stops, he sits back, he waits, he listens to me, and he answers me. It's been a very pleasant experience when I've been here.
If we don't put our biggest effort we can give to improve that patient's smile and function, we're not going to get to the point that this patient needs. And so we pay close attention to that. We care about our patient. We are very compassionate. I mean, we really enjoy what we do.
Dr. Martinez has been the most patient person that I've ever encountered.
My experiences with Dr. Martinez and the staff have always been a 10.
I would never go anywhere else.